a lot of work with the Hollanders. I had the possibility to go to Copenhagen University. I got into a master program there, but I chose to come here to the international class to follow my passion for cooking. My name is Oana. I'm coming from Romania and I'm 34 years old. I came to find a job in the area that I studied in Romania, but unfortunately I couldn't find. So I chose to change the path in my career.
You can wait with the scallop, you serve the scallop at the last part, okay?
So I want to do this.
Yeah.
I have 2 kids at home, a girl and a boy. And it's important for me to be as a role model for them and to show them that nothing is impossible. And you chop the kale, salt, pepper. It's important to see the expression on the face of my family and friends when they are tasting my food, and that is priceless for me. And I like to be creative in the kitchen and to plate, to taste food. It's the first time I tried French onion soup. It's important to have an education because it gives you a different status.
And the eggs are running. Actually a pretty nice poached egg.
It gives you more opportunities and more open doors for persons that have a certificate.
Nice flavor, nice hollandaise, nice gratinated on top.
I hope to become a chef, a great chef, and to create recipes and to maybe in the future I will open my own restaurant. So this is one of my dreams.